can understand where you're coming from when you say that you're very
You
proud
can understand?
because I empathize with everybody I meet, so I understand.
That
where they're
empathy
coming
doesn't show in your critic wala review, in your reviews.
from. That's a different thing, Bob.
That becomes a different thing.
Obviously, only the review becomes a very different thing. That's all is on one side.
चलो ठीक है देखते हैं what you give to Guntur talking. Let me see.
She's almost blackmailing and threatening me. I want all you guys to know this point.
I'm sure everybody does that to you, right?
What? Threaten me?
Threaten you or blackmail you.
Nobody does.
Really?
You're
I'm
the
the first.
person. I can see the ghost of Revolver Rani come inside you.
ज़्यादा character में आ गई हूँ इतनी method actor हूँ मैं.
Damn, and I should have taken tips from Sidhu how to escape from Revolver Rani then.
He couldn't really escape. You don't know what happened. I can't even tell you what I've done to him. It's like unimaginable. I don't
Okay.
think that's even there in the original Revolver Rani also, what I've done to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Getting really scared now. Right. So I can understand where you're coming from when you say that it's not in your hands, the success of the film or not. But,
Yeah.
But I see a big change in the kind of work that you're doing in the past 2 or 3 years at least.
Yeah.
Even though Ray might not have worked at the box office, but I thought that characterization of yours was a big leap ahead for you.
Yeah.
In terms of how you were
And
projected
somebody
on
let me
screen.
perform
Yeah,
for a
right.
change.
It was not like just another
Yeah,
girl
just
in the
one
film.
glam doll standing in the frame, making it pretty or hot or sexy. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, it was.
So, what do you think has caused this shift in terms of how people view you?
See, initially when I came in over here, I took up whatever came to me. Somebody had given me this advice that जो भी आएगा सब sign कर लो. So I was like, okay. So then and I had no idea of the market. I had no idea of the directors, producers, heroes, nothing. I was just an outsider for this. And when we come from Bombay, we have a very different view of the South, of whatever we see on Sun TV, Gemini TV and all of that, you know. And so we are of the view that, okay, for example, you come from with the view that South may people like women who are very huge and voluptuous and hefty, which is actually not the case in Telugu cinema. All of us are like very normal, like any Bollywood actress. So you come with these kind of weird notions and you just blindly listen to whoever, whatever, and people tell you, and you're not that, you don't fear the result as much because you don't belong to this city. Since I belong to Bombay, so okay, I know that mere ghar wale and my friends may not even watch that film.
Okay.
So for me, it's just a job that I'm doing.
Right.
So initially, I just kept taking films that came to me, and so a lot of characters, a lot of films I did where I was really not happy with what I was doing on the set. I used to go back and cry after the shot that, oh God, what am I doing? I'm not liking what I'm doing. But just because I was so scared that, I should not be unprofessional and all of that, I would just continue doing whatever was asked from me because I felt that as an actor, you don't have the choice to say no. But over the past 2-3 years, I've started saying no to things that I don't want to do. And obviously with now it's been 7 to 8 years in Telugu, so I have a little bit of a name and a little more power to say a no or a yes or to change something in the script or the screenplay and say that no, I'm not comfortable doing this. Can we just change this, please? Prostitute, okay. Yeah. I've never done that role till today, and obviously, if you're doing such a character, you want to know the screenplay as to how the scenes will be shot. Definitely, there'll be a love-making scene.
Right.